And anyway, I wrote this song called Beer Truck Driving, and I hope y'all like it. When I get old enough to drive a beer truck, that's what I'll be doing till I hit 80 years old. You may say it's crazy, yeah, but that's what I like. I'm just a redneck that loves the paint on the side of that truck. I might just kill a 12-point bug and tie the antler down on my hood, yeah. Oh yeah, that's what I'll be doing all my life, is beer truck driving. Yeah, beer truck driving and rodeo bullfighting. Hope y'all like that. I just randomly came up with that. I don't know how I did it. But I hope y'all like that. And guys, for y'all that like that kind of stuff, there was no country song from Hillbilly 1444. Subscribe, like, comment, and peace.